Yeah, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name remains Dunsin. So on today's class, we'll be talking about text, how to introduce text to label, building plans, and building elevation. So the first thing we need to do first is highlight uh, a particular elevation. Let's start with the front elevation. For example, I want to label this as my front elevation. So the first thing to do is I'll come here. I'll see a capital letter A close to my dimension. So underneath that, I'll see text. I'll see an arrow text. So I'll click on that. Then I'll click on I'll click on multi-line text. So once I do that, it pops up ABC as you can see on the screen. So I just position that at below my elevation. Then I always love to leave my elevation text line on cap lock. I always love to leave that on cap lock, that's capital letter. So I insert front elevation, front elevation. So once I'm done, I could make it all bold. So I'll just come here. As you can see, I'll just click on bold. It makes it all bold. If I want to make it italic, as you can see, it changed to italic here. If I want to underline everything, I could actually do that. Then if I want to space it, bring it a lot lower, I could do that as well. And if I want to cut a line across, I could actually do that as well. So in most cases, I just like to just leave it on bold and it being underlined. So these are the two I usually use, leaving it on bold and underline. So once I'm done with that, I just come here. I come to paragraphs, and this is left, this is center, this is right, this is justify, this is distribute. So I leave it on center, so it centralizes it for me. Then another thing, for those that like to play with colors and printing and all that, you can come here. So you can use just make sure this is thick, use background mask. So select whatever color you're comfortable with. Let's just say red, for example. Once you click on OK, it just colors the background for you, then you print it out. But well, I don't think I'm interested in that, so I'm just going to I'm just going to take that off. So so in order to take that off, we just double click on it. Then we'll come here, come back to mask, then we turn this off. We just click on the mark, we turn it off, then okay. So it takes that off for us automatically. So once I'm done, I just click, then I position this centrally by using my move. So my move also helps me to position it centrally. So yeah, there we are. So once I'm done, instead of me having to re-click and re-click, I'll just click on this and I'll click on copy. I'll click on copy, so I'll just pick it, then I would copy it to wherever point I want to edit elevation. So here I have my left, I'll just drop it on my left hand side, click here, then I'll come to my right, I'll come here, I'll come to my right, I'll come here, I'll position it here, then I'll just come here as well, come to my rear, I'll position it here as well. Then also I also have my plan and my roof plan upward as well, so I'll just come here, position this here, then position this here. So starting with my roof plan, I'll just zoom in, zoom in, then I'll just click, double click. That's you're using your right you right click, you're clicking twice, so that's double click. So you highlight everything, then you insert a fresh word. So roof plan. Once I'm done, I just sorry, once I'm done, I just click outside the space, then I'm done with that. So to my right I have a plan. If you're going to, I highlight first. If you have a ground plan and a first floor plan, you separate that. But if it's just a bungalow design, you could just tag it as a plan. So plan, sorry, we're not having to press enter. If you press enter, it's going to come back down, so you just click on outside. So once we're done, we just go back to other labeling. So come here, double click, then we highlight. This is our left elevation, then we'll click on outside, then we'll come here as well, we'll double click, we'll just double click, then highlight. We have this to be right elevation, then we'll click on the outside, then we'll come here, drag all the way up, then we have this to be our rear elevation. So we'll double click, highlight, then rear, we'll just name it rear elevation. So there we have it. That's our simple class on how to insert text to our elevations and plans. So thank you once again for coming to another edition of my AutoCAD class. So on our next class, we'll be taking how to convert our DWG files, that's our AutoCAD files, to PDF files, and how to save them as well. So thank you very much. My name remains Johnson. Have a lovely day.